away. B is for box truck, moving goods each day. Elula. C is for cement mixer, turning round and round. D is for dump truck, pouring on the ground. E is for excavator, digging deep and wide. F is for fire truck, with sirens screaming high. G is for garbage truck, picking up the trash. H is for hauler, carrying a heavy stash. I is for ice truck, keeping cool inside. J is for jet truck, with flames flying wide. K is for kipper truck, tipping with a clunk. L is for livestock truck, full of moo and grunt. M is for monster truck, jumping super high. N is for news van, with cameras standing by. O is for oil tanker, shiny round and slow. P is for pickup truck, ready, set, go. Q is for quad truck, with four wheels to explore. R is for recovery truck, pulling cars galore. O S is for snow plow, clearing winter roads. T is for tow truck, pulling heavy loads. U is for utility truck,